Hey guys, it's Sarah and Stella, and we're back with a frequently asked questions about pet sitting on Rover video. So this video is going to cover all the questions that people have asked me over the last 3 years of pet sitting on Rover. Make sure you check the information box underneath, because I'm going to be linking to some other helpful content for you there as well. So the first question is there an age requirement? How old do you have to be to pet sit on Rover? Rover requires that you are at least 18 years of age, and they do require a background check. Let me put her down before I continue. I believe the background check is $10 to $30, but it's well worth it, because as with any job, people want to see that you're serious about it, and your clients want to make sure that you're not some criminal taking care of their animals. The second question, how do you get paid through Rover? There's two options. If you're old school, like my Uncle Joe who pet sits for Rover, you can get paid with a check. I don't know how often they send out checks, because I prefer to get paid with PayPal. That's the other way that you can get paid through Rover, is through PayPal, and they will pay you automatically 2 business days after each booking ends. Can you care for cats on Rover? That's the other question. Although Rover is called Rover, which makes you think of dogs, you can care for cats on Rover, and I have done so when doing home visits. Although there isn't a specific cats category on Rover, how to set this up is to go to the home visits category and set your price there, and you'll see a drop down menu for home visits for cats, home visits for dogs. You can even set your rate if you want to just walk dogs or give baths to dogs. There's a whole bunch of stuff you can set your rates on for the home visits. Next question. Can you pick and choose what size and types of animals you take care of? Yes, that's why I love pet sitting with Rover, because I only take care of small dogs. I love all dogs, but I know my limits, and I'd rather pick up poop that's the size of a Tootsie Roll than poop that's the size of Stella the Chihuahua. But yes, you can pick and choose what kinds of dogs you watch. You can do home visits. You can choose to just do walks. You can just choose to take care of cats in their home. It's very flexible. You can just go in and do that when you set up your profile. So, can you pet sit if you have other pets at home? Yes, you can. You need to be upfront about this when someone is trying to book you. And actually, Rover has a spot in your profile for introducing people to your other pets. So I currently don't have other pets at home. I started pet sitting after one of my dogs died, after my only dog died. But I know a lot of pet sitters that have like 3 other dogs, or they have a couple of cats, or they have 1 cat. The key is that you really want to make sure when you're onboarding a new client or introducing yourself to a new client and their animals, that you do a meet and greet to make sure that these animals all get along and are going to be a good fit for you. By the way, I'm linking to my meet and greet video, how to and tips, underneath this video. So if you want to watch that, check it out. Let's move on. Another question is, what type of insurance do you need to be a pet sitter on Rover? Now, Rover does cover some things. It's been 3 years since I've been on there, so because I do so much pet sitting, I have my own pet sitting insurance policy through petcareinsurance.com. And disclaimer, I am not a insurance professional. I am not a lawyer. So I am linking to another helpful video that somebody else made about business liability insurance, and they talk about what it covers, and they talk about what insurance they recommend, because I'm not an insurance expert. So those are just a few questions to get you started. If you have any more questions about pet sitting with Rover or pet sitting in general, drop them underneath this video. Let me know what content you want to see next. Thanks again.